Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your Kraken account. First, navigate to the Kraken website and log into your account. From your dashboard, locate the Get Verified or Verification section. You will see options for different verification tiers, each offering increased deposit and withdrawal limits. Choose the level that best suits your trading needs and prepare the necessary information. For starter verification, you'll need to provide your full legal name, date of birth, and your current physical address. You'll also be asked for your phone number. This level typically grants you immediate access to deposit and withdraw cryptocurrencies, though with lower limits. It's a great starting point for new users looking to explore the platform with minimal hassle. Moving to intermediate verification requires a bit more. You'll need to upload a clear photo of a valid government-issued identification, such as a passport or driver's license. Additionally, proof of residence, like a recent utility bill or bank statement showing your address, is necessary. This level significantly increases your funding options and transaction limits, allowing for more substantial trading activity. Finally, Pro verification is designed for high-volume traders and institutions. This level demands comprehensive financial documentation, including proof of income and source of funds. You might also need to provide additional business or personal financial statements. This unlocks the highest possible limits and advanced features. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.